let's go. If you could gaze into the future, you might think life would be a breeze. See travel from a distance, yeah. Go right, but it's not that easy. Take it to the I try to see the situation, and I end up misbehaving.
Hey now, say now, about to put it down. Yeah, come on and ride with Ray.
What is up, vlog? Welcome back. Hello. It's like 3 days later. I don't even know. I had to come and show y'all what I got and what I ordered from Amazon. I got this phone clip light on my phone and I'm tired of it because it's not for the cameras, for the phone. I did already have a freaking light, but I ended up having to order another one because when I went to the NBA game, I lost the damn light. So I got another light for my camera. Y'all, this light is so good. Like, I got this light for my camera. I think is it dead? Oh no, wait, hold on. Let me see. Okay, look how bright. Like, this shit is bright as hell. This is brighter than this one. So I got this light. I like to keep my lights on like 10, so I look like, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this light on here actually, and yeah, hold on real quick. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like how the other one looks. This one looks more natural. The other one just looks more yellowish. I don't know. But so this is I got my camera light or whatever, and then y'all, I got a freaking it's lit. It's real. It's getting real now. I got my freaking car my car mount. I'm gonna open this in the car. I'm gonna do a TikTok video on it because I've been wanting this for so long. When I be walking in my car, my camera be falling, my baby be laughing at me and shit. Ain't no more of that. We got us a car tripod. So yeah, y'all. Zayden is eating oatmeal right now. We about to go to Dunkin' Donuts, of course. I know that's my favorite. Dunkin' Donuts. I want to stop at a shoe store. His birthday coming up next week, so I want to go get him some shoes. Not that I'm going to just wait till I go to Virginia. I'm going to Virginia next week to drop him off to his dada. It's dada turn, okay? Since I moved to Atlanta, me and his dad got to figure out how we going to switch it, but that's another story for another day. I guess that's what we're doing today, so let's go. I got it. I think this is how I look. I got my little light right here. I was doing my video, but this is what it's supposed to do, I guess. Is it like sturdy? Yeah, it's sturdy as hell. I don't know if I want to put my camera up here. I don't know if I want to put my camera up here though. Child, this shit. Let me see. I'm gonna try. So I ain't even gonna lie, I'm a little irritated because I mean it's not suctioned, but it's not gonna move. I hope when I drive. I tried to put it on the window, but that's just too much for me. I don't know. We'll try again later. Like I said, I was gonna go to Hibbett Sports or whatever and get him some shoes for his birthday, but I think I'm gonna wait until I actually get to Virginia and stuff. Because for one, I don't want to carry all that stuff, bring all that stuff down there because I gotta take him. I don't want to bring all this extra stuff, and I could just get it when he's at his dad's house. Like, they got them all, and they got a Hibbett Sports. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. It's really gloomy today. Like, it's really like giving ill. Like, it's really looking crazy today. Y'all, I cannot wait to get my hair done. I get my hair done on the 5th. Then after on the 5th, we going straight to the straight on the highway, me and Z, little road trip. I also get my brakes done before then because my sister called me like, girl, them brakes is bad. She works dealership. She said, girl, them brakes, you need some brakes. And I admit, I probably do need some brakes because I had my car for like 3-4 years and I never got my brakes done. Don't kill me. I never got my brakes done, so I know that I need some brakes. I really want to find like content creator friends and do content with them. You know how like YouTubers be getting on each other's channels and stuff? I want to do that, but I'm so new and so fresh and such a beginner in this shit. I don't even know where to start. Content creator friends, if you're looking for me, right here. It makes it so much easier when everybody around you doing the same thing because like y'all do the same thing. Y'all can bounce off ideas. Y'all could, you know, be on each other's channel. Y'all audiences can mix and shit. So it's just way easier than you try to figure it out by yourself. Like, I'm not gonna lie. What's up, vlog? We are back. We didn't do anything today but chill at the house. My friend made some bomb ass tomato soup and we ate that. But for the most part, we're just chilling, right? You see the camera? You want to show the camera your toys? What you got? Show them. Yeah.
What the?
Yep. And what's that?
What?
It's a monster truck?
Oh, that's
Yeah, it's a monster truck. So y'all, we chilling. We really didn't do anything today.
Race.
Yes. Bye, camera. See you. Why you saying in the high voice? Say bye, camera. Why you make your voice high? Say bye, camera. Y'all, I'm about to make Zayden a TikTok. I got all his videos from when he was a kid. They are so funny. I'm about to just post them because he's hilarious. Say bye, camera. Bye. Cheese. Look at that head. We just made it in the car. I cannot wait till my new tripod comes today. It's the one with the buttons actually on the tripod. That's gonna make it so much easier, y'all. Y'all, he be so excited when I give him this donut. Watch. Donuts! Wow! Mommy has to steal a piece. Donut's so good. Mmm. A pink donut? Mmm.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Yummy? Is it yummy? Y'all, I'm ready to go throw this coffee at the girl head. I'm not even gonna lie. What is this? It don't taste like nothing. It just tastes like hot. It's like it's no flavor. Aww. Like, I hate paying for nasty stuff. Chill out on Dunkin' for a little bit because they pissing me off. I'm tired. No way I keep paying for nasty coffee. How hard is it to make coffee? And I'm telling you what to do. I'm telling you how many sugars and how many creams, and I do the same amount on purpose so my coffee could taste the same. You got stuff all over your face. Hold on. You got a donut on your face. You know this only the type of shit that you do at Walmart, but I cannot vlog and his hand and his mouth looks like this. So I'm about to get these wipes that I'm about to buy and I'm about to wipe his mouth because I can't. Sorry, we gotta open these. Yeah. We gonna buy them, don't worry. But this shit looks crazy. Let's see. Oh, that donut you ate, huh? There we go. Nice and clean. Right? Oh, wipe your hands? He hate when stuff on his hands though, y'all. I cannot. I cannot. Okay, is it all clean now? Yeah? Because you done made me be ghetto in Target. This is Walmart activities. $20 for that? Say that, you got some money? You do? You got some money? Where is it? Give me the money. Ah. That's not the money. Give me the money so we can buy this stuff. You expensive. I need to get some Pampers, some pull-ups, right? Pull-ups? You need pants, training pants, not no pull-ups. You need training pants. These are old ones too. $80 for a set is crazy. From Target even? He always repeating me. It's crazy. Let me fix it here. It's crazy. Say it's crazy. Oh, you're not gonna say it now? See how kids do? I didn't really want to do too much shopping for beauty and stuff because I want to do a like actual Target haul and stuff, but I did find this Dove body scrub, y'all. I got a freaking brand partnership with Dove and I still didn't even do their video, but I'm gonna try this Dove body scrub, I guess. And then I'm trying to find some this face cleanser. Stop taking pictures. Trying to find this face cleanser that everybody was talking about from Aveeno for dark marks and stuff. It's called like Free and Clear or whatever. Try to get that. Zayden, talk to the camera. I'm busy. I gotta do something. Talk to the camera.
What?
What? What? Okay, that's all you gotta say? Okay. Nice of my grandma. Let's try this one. You think it's gonna smell good? What you think? You're not even smelling. You're not even smelling it. Let me see. Don't touch. Just smell. Smell. Don't touch. Smell. That's your smell face? We just gonna go with it. Child, let me get out of here before I spend all my money. All this time, I didn't have a Target rewards. What am I doing? I just spent $100 in there again. Over $100 in there again. I said, you know what? This is it. Sign me the fuck up. I spent way too much money in Target to not be getting no rewards. Like, am I crazy or am I crazy? You want some cookies? I used to be a Girl Scout for years, so I already know how this goes. Here we go. I'm gonna take some Thin Mints.
Okay, how many?
I'm gonna just take one box. Let me try this box too.
Yeah, that's good.
I never had those.
So one Thin Mint, one Adventure Food. Girls,
Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Got some cookies. Mmm. Yummy. Go. Watch out. Come on, this way. Cookies. We done found the girls selling the Girl Scout cookies. Y'all, I ain't never had these ones before.
I don't work.
These are some new ones. Adventure Fools. It don't work.
I don't work.
It don't work. What don't work? Oh, the iPad? Yeah, it's no. You gotta play a game. You can't watch. You gotta play a game. Cause mommy's driving. I don't feel like turning on my Wi-Fi because you're draining it out. These ones is brownie inspired cookies with caramel flavored cream and a hint of sea salt. I was a Girl Scout. I ain't big, man. Back we only had like 5 cookies. And then the Thin Mints, these are my faves. Oh my God, I love these. But yeah, y'all, we about to go to the beauty supply store. I need to get some press-on nails, and then I need to get him a hair wrap for his hair. Cause when I get this hair done, it's gotta stay. So we about to head over there. So y'all, what did I end up getting at the store? I just got him a lock cap. I needed a lint brush. I got me a lint brush. I got me some press on so I could do this video because I do not like getting my nails done and I be needing my nails to look good. And then I got some more concealer, chestnut for my face. And I'm trying to, I asked Zayden what he want to eat and he said sandwich. Look at this. He always want a damn sandwich. You don't want no Chick-fil-A? What about chicken nuggets? You want chicken nuggets? No? So you want me to go to the store, buy some bread, because you ate it all, and go make you a sandwich. Okay. So it looks like I need to go get some bread. Which, I mean, it's going to be cheaper than anything else. So, to the store, and then I can keep making him the damn sandwiches, because that's all he want to eat, supposedly, is sandwiches. And then after that, for real, y'all, I'm going home, because I'm not, like, I ain't spending no more money. I got what I needed. I did not come and plan to spend all this money. When you go outside, you gonna spend $100 minimum. That's why I stay my ass in the house. That's why I don't go outside. So yeah, I guess I gotta get some bread. I need some gas in my car while I only got 44 miles. You know who I think I am, riding around Atlanta with no gas. Are you dumb or are you stupid? So we back home. And he wants to paint his little rainbow. I don't know why he didn't get the dinosaur. He liked the color, so we did that one. Hold on. Open his paint.
Yeah, a baby.
Yep.
A baby. A baby. A baby.
I'm
A
gonna,
baby.
dang, why it's so hard to open?
Oh,
There we go.
go.
Oh wait, we got one more. Green.
Read.
Oh, I got it on my finger. I'm gonna take this off because I ain't got time. Hold on, take this off.
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry.
Ah.
Your head is big.
Okay, big.
Oh my God, Zayden. Oh. I'm gonna show you. So you got purple, right? Say you want a new color, you do like this. Put it in the water. Okay, you dry it and then you get a new color. See? That's how you do it. Purple. Don't get a lot. You don't need that much. Just a little bit. You don't need that much color. Yep. Ooh. You as an artist. Oh. You doing so good.
Oh, you make it.
You're doing so good. Y'all, this was only $5 at Target. Oh, you doing so good.
Bet someone 10,000.
Oh.
It's okay. Look. It's okay. You doing so good. It's gonna mix because you got purple. If you don't want purple, you have to put it in the water like that. See? Take it off. Now get a new color. Get a new color. Green?
Red. Oh.
Someone 10,000.
It's okay. It's nice. I like it. Which one you want? Let me see. Let me show you. Hold on. So I'm gonna let him. He keeps getting mad because the colors keep mixing. So I'm gonna just, you see, wipe it off. Which one you want? I'm gonna let him paint and then not come back, y'all. Ooh, y'all, it's been a long day. Your girl's about to pack it up and get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my face. Y'all, my scab is peeling. It hurts so bad. Just touched it and it hurt. Wash my face. I got this gleaming mask that I love, but when I have makeup on, I like the Curology's makeup remover. So I use this. I wash my face with my facial scrub, then I gotta go get it. And then I put my vitamin C clay mask on. You see? I put that on. And then I use my discoloration serum from Good Molecules to get rid of my dark marks. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, holy grail. But yeah, y'all, and like with this brush, with this, it comes with this little brush. This brush is so soft. I love it. I definitely recommend y'all get that. But I'm tired as hell. I'm about to end this outfit tonight. And yeah, tomorrow I'm doing a content day. I think I'm gonna just end this vlog here because I'm doing a content day tomorrow and I'm gonna put that in a different vlog. So thanks for watching, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe. And just subscribe anyway because I'm a vibe. Like, you made it this far, why not? You know what I'm saying? Don't be boring, don't be lame. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. But anyway, y'all, I'm sleepy. I'm about to get in the shower and then call it a night and leave with my baby. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
I'm catching feelings, baby.